The moment we all are have been eagerly waiting for this finally here. We proudly declare the official grand opening ceremony of Echoes of English. We request our chief guest, principal and esteemed dignitaries to the ceremony.
Morning to all respected dignitaries, teachers, dear students, and honored guests. It gives me immense pride and joy to stand before you today and welcome a person whose journey is nothing short of her words have the power to guide, to motivate, and to create a positive impact that lasts far behind this moment. Professionally, she is a brilliant achiever. We are truly honored to have you with us today. I request you to address the audience and share your words of wisdom. Thank you.
So to begin with, let me thank for this opportunity. Thank you, dear sir, for this kind invitation. How are you all doing? All fine? So how goes your school? Nice. Okay. So how many of you have the habit of watching movies? Yes, I am a movie addict. How many of you have the habit of watching movies? Can I have you all raising your hands? Wow, great. So who is your favorite hero? Vijay. Who is your favorite hero? Vijay. Obviously, for girls, who is your favorite hero? Vijay. Okay. Yes, is he a star? Is he a star? Yes. Yes or no? He's at the end. How many of you wish to become a star? Only one? Great. Very good. Very good. So, you all told me like you all like Vijay, he is a star and you all wish to become a star, right? So, have you ever thought of becoming star before? Yes or no? Yes. So, let me give you a small tip to become a star. Fine? So, what is the spelling of star? S-T? S-T-A-R. So, yes here stands for skill up. Yes here stands for skill up. Do you know what is a skill? How many of you know cycling? How many of you know swimming? How many of you know writing? How many of you know dancing? So all these are skills, right? So learning English is also a skill. It will not happen within a day. You may not become a very good speaker within a day. It needs practice. So practice English daily. We are here to teach you and guide you. Little by little, practice, skill up in English. Will you all learn that skill? Will you all learn that skill to become a star? Yes? Good. What is the second letter? T. What is the second letter? T here stands for think big. T here stands for think big. So how many of you dreamt of flying? Flying. How many of you wish to go in aeroplane? All of you. How many of you wish to go for the world tour? World tour, America, Australia, Antarctica, Korea, right? You all have that wish to fly across. So what is the tool that will take you around? What is the tool that will take you around? Aeroplane, ma'am. Is it? When you go there and talk in Tamil, will they understand? Will you go there and talk in Telugu, will they understand? Obviously, it is English, a small tool that will help you travel around the world. Yes? We all agree? So if you wish to travel around and if you wish to develop in your life, if you wish to skill up, English is very important. So when you wish to think big, think small first. That is starting or practicing English right from today. Will you all do that? Yes? What is the third letter? What is the third letter? A stands for act now. Act Now, act here means not acting as the movie actors. Okay? Taking action, taking immediate action. Now I may say talk in English. If you talk in English, you will become the better person in the world. All such. But it is you who has to take the small step today. Right? Go, practice, write down. You all have the habit of watching mobile. Is it? Shorts, Instagram reels, YouTube videos, all such. How many of you use it for English? Literally, very few. Yes, you all watch that series. Web series or some other anime, Naruto. Yes, Korean dramas, short films, all such. Instead of watching all that, go subscribe English YouTube channels. Small channels where they'll teach you English words. Fine? So from now onwards, start acting or watching small little English videos that will enhance your language. Fine? And the last letter? And the last letter? R. R means rising high. When you follow all these, like when you level up your language, when you skill up your language, when you think big and act now, you will rise high as a star. A star who is well influenced or who is well educated, who communicates very well in English. Fine? So for all this, to become a very good English speaker, what you have to do is speak. So start small, right? I'm not going to give you a very big task. Okay? Practice a little. Start small, practice a little, engage with your friends. Here, you all communicate only with your friends, right? You're not going to talk to your parents when you're in school. You're going to communicate only with your friends. So whenever you communicate in English. So, start small, practice daily, engage with your friends, accept your mistakes. We, the teachers, are here to correct you all. If you make a mistake, we'll guide you. So learn to accept a mistake, start taking action. Will you all do that? So for what are we gathered here today? English Expo. So what will be there in English Expo? Many things. What are those things? Models, English, verbs, history, all such. So now this is your first time of witnessing English exhibition, right? Give me your feedback at last. Will you all do that? Yes? Will you all talk in English? Are you all talking in English first? Yes? I want honest answer. Are you all talking in English? Okay, very good. So congratulations to Miss Ranjita for organizing this wonderful expo. Congratulations to you as well for revealing it on time. And all the very best. Let's see how the expo works on. Fine?
We have request our beloved principal and correspondent Dr. Sagadevan, the guiding light of our institution, to address the gathering.
Happy morning all of you. Students, if you want to do anything in English program, do it very bold. I hope this program is good. Thank you.